Good morning to all my dear children. I hope you all are fine and I welcome you once again to the class. Children, we have started in the last class chapter 10 having verbs in your English grammar book. Okay, and we had done few exercises if you remember. Yes, this we did in the last class and today we are going to continue the exercise, but let us first recall what we did in the last class. Look at the pictures given here, children. A butterfly has 4 wings. Now we are talking about one particular butterfly, so we are going to use has, okay, when we talk of singular nouns or pronouns, then we use has. Let us see another example. Mia has long hair. This is the name of a girl, Mia. So we are talking about one girl. So again has. Next one. Those boys have a cricket kit. Now we are talking about plural. Just you see here boys, S is written. So we are going to use have. Those boys have a cricket kit. Next is our school library has 40,000 books. Now we are talking about one school library, that is our school library, one room, one library. So that is why here we have used has. Clear, children? So therefore, children, we use has when we talk about one person, places, animal or thing. Okay, children? And we use have when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or a thing. And one exception, as I told you, children, we also use have with I and you. Okay, so you have to remember this. Have is also used with I and you. Here are some more examples given in the book, children. You can go through them. Okay, here it is pronoun. In place of name, just he is written. He and she, what are these words? These are pronouns. It, they. So children, with nouns or pronouns, in both the cases, if it is singular, we are talking about one person, place, animal or a thing, we will use has. So you see here, children, he means one boy or one man. It can be any person, male person. So he has an iPhone. Next is she. Again we are talking about one girl or one lady. She has 5 servants in her house. So this way, children, you can see that when we have examples, words, pronoun or nouns in singular, it is followed by has. Next you see this question. It has 5 exit doors. Okay, it here is pronoun. We use it with names of things. See, children, they have a big house. They means more than one person. I have the latest model of iWatch. I have, see it with I, though I is one person, but this is exception case. You have to remember with I we always use have. We have 4 guava trees in the garden. The cow has 2 horns. The bus has a CNG engine. The building has 7 stories. So all these are singular: cow, bus, building. So we have used has. Next is the children. Now children means when there are more than one child. When there is more than one child, you see many students together, many small boys and girls together. We call them as children. So children, have. We will write have. The children have new dresses. My sister has many story books. My sister, again, name of one person. I hope you all are following, children. Now I ask you to finish the first few exercise. Let us continue with the next G number. Grandma dash false teeth. Grandma means one lady we are talking about. So has. Okay. I, with I, what do we write? Have. You have to remember this. I have a big table in my study room. Next, my mother has many beautiful handbags. Next one is, they have a huge basement in their house. Next is the K number. The kangaroo has strong hind legs. Kangaroo is name of one animal. So HAS has we are going to fill. This way you have to complete this exercise, children. Finish this work in your grammar book and go through whatever we have done thoroughly. If you have any doubts, you can clear in the Google Meeting class when we get time to interact. Okay? So do this work. This is your home assignment and study. We will meet in the next class with a new topic now. Okay? And some more of revision. Thank you, children.